Hi everybody, Dr. Nikki here, back to answer your questions about pee, poop, and sex. Today's email came from Kelly, and Kelly, unfortunately, has been suffering with a lot of constipation, which is so common in America, probably across the world, but specifically in America, and she has had it since she gave birth to her second child. So I thought that since this was such a common occurrence that I have seen as a pelvic floor physical therapist, I would bring it to the YouTube and see if I could help all of you other people out there who are suffering with constipation. Now, you don't have to be a woman postpartum to be suffering with constipation. I know full well that you could be a man out there and having these issues. But that is just the inspiration for this video. But the techniques that I talk about and all of the education applies whether you're a man or a woman. So first off, I will say that constipation is multifactorial. There is no one end-all cure-all for all of the constipation that people have. So let's touch on a few things. One, we have the diet aspect. Diet can be huge, especially if you live in a first world country like I do in America, where food has become quite a business. And in doing so, there have been cheaper, more efficient ways to process food. Unfortunately, in doing that, a lot of the fiber and the nutrients that are originally in the food are removed in doing so. So, rule number one when it comes to constipation is pay attention to your diet and eliminate any of the processed foods that are not natural. In doing so, you're going to get a lot more adequate hydration from the fresh fruits and fresh vegetables that you're eating. You won't have as many chemicals and preservatives in your food, which can arguably contribute to some inflammation and lack of digestion. And you will just be getting all of the nutrients that you deserve from your food. So that's number one. Number two is water. Well, I've talked about this in other videos, but water is arguably the most important liquid you could have. Not tea, not coffee, not juice, not alcohol, water. And the best way to drink water is at the absorption rate of water in the body. That ends up being about 1 ounce every 15 to 20 minutes. So 1 ounce is approximately a shot glass. So if you were to take 1 shot of water every 15 to 20 minutes, you are giving your body the hydration it needs at the rate at which it can use it. Versus drinking a bunch of water, downing a bottle all at once. Your body doesn't really know what to do with such a plethora of water all at once. So slow it down, give it to your body in its purest, simplest form. On that note, one would argue that having warm beverages like hot herbal tea, no caffeine, can also be a great adjunct to constipation. Or to treating constipation, I should say. So I usually have 1 to 3 cups of herbal tea a day, and I sip on it throughout the day also, and I find that helps keep me regular. Thirdly is relax. I have talked about this in probably almost every video that I've posted, but when we are stressed out, we are in our fight or flight phase of our nervous system programming. So we have basically fight or flight or rest and digest. Rest and digest. So digestion happens when our nervous system is calm. So when we are busy, go, here, there, and we're not sleeping, we're not eating, we're not relaxing, our digestion could be a sign that we are overstressed. So I recommend taking 5 breaths every hour of the day. You gotta breathe anyway, so you might as well be breathing in a way that it will help your constipation. So close your eyes if you can, put your hands on your belly, and simply feel the breath coming in and out without changing it, without counting, without making it a big deal. Simply let your mind be aware of the breath and how your body is automatically being. You will find it to be very restful. And then lastly is something called a belly massage or a colon massage. So using a clockwise direction, starting at the lower right pelvis, kind of around your belly button, you can do little massages and these little circular motions all around your colon. It should take maybe 5 or 10 minutes using gentle pressure. We're not digging for anything here, but simply to get the blood flowing and the food moving is a really nice addition to helping with constipation. If you've tried all of these things and it is not working still, please feel free to reach out to me, Nikki, Nikki, at theorganicpt.com is my email. My website is drnikki.com, drnickycohen.com, almost forgot that one. And then obviously feel free to reach out to a visceral manipulation therapist or a pelvic floor physical therapist to help you with your ongoing constipation. And I've included links for all of those below. Thank you for your time. Best with your constipation. And let me know if there's anything else I can do for you.